My first ever vlog. I'm leaving to New York. Let's go. Tesla pickup. Let's go.
Nah. How long have you been in Atlanta?
Since 2018.
2018?
Yeah.
How much do you like it?
I love Atlanta. Atlanta's a great city.
Okay.
Like, yeah, man.
I'd say most likely you love it. That's why you're here so long.
Yeah, definitely. 7 years, and it's looking like year number 8 coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna be here next year. I don't have any plans to move. If I do move, I'm moving to Dallas.
Dallas?
Yeah. If I'm gonna move, it's got to be a bigger city, and there are only 6 bigger cities in Atlanta.
What's the 6?
So to my knowledge, number 1 is New York, right?
Okay.
30 million. You know.
Okay, you're talking about population-wise?
Yeah, population-wise, not land.
Okay, no problem.
But yeah.
LA, New York.
Yep, number 1 and 2, and then Chicago number 3. I think they got 9 million. Number 4, it's actually Dallas, Texas, but it's Dallas Fort Worth Metro.
Okay.
The whole metro included. Number 5 is Houston.
Yeah, Houston is.
Or it might be vice versa. It might be Houston is bigger than Dallas. One or the other. They go back and forth.
Yeah. My thing is with if we picking, I'd rather Miami. Miami is more close.
It got a good upscale. In my opinion, Miami, of the whole entire South, of every southern state, has the best upscale luxury.
Yeah.
In my opinion. I mean, they got beaches, they got yachts, they got ocean right there.
Man, the airport.
Pre-check line is empty. Might do a chart breakdown in New York. Matter of fact, I am gonna do one. Yep. I got a bunch of gadgets. Got my laptop, so I can do a chart breakdown. I'm actually in a position right now on UJ. I do definitely have to get a better camera so I can get better at vlogging. But yeah, my back is starting to hurt. I'll let you guys know when I'm boarding. So I was in this position. I kind of hedged it where I was in buys and I took a sell because I figured when price did hit this red line down here, buyers were there. Buyers stepped in, pushed the market up. So now I see price retracing. I'm anticipating that price, the buyers will step in and push price back up. So I had some buy limits here where I'm waiting on H1 close, where the H1 just started. It's 9 o'clock right now. And I'm gonna see how this closes so I can close out my sells and focus on the buys. So I'll keep you guys updated on this trade. Finally landed. Sure, it's delayed, but we here though. If you're from NY, then you know this is the wackest airport ever. But I'm out. So I came to the library to get some work done. I need like a good workspace. I'm gonna go to a cafe in a little bit. Brooklyn Public Library. Leaving the library, getting some work done. I ain't go to this library in years. But yeah, now I'm about to go to a cafe, get some more work done. Get some food maybe. And, you know, vibe out for the rest of the day. Okay, so I just left the library. Maybe I could get sit down and do a chart breakdown for you guys. I've seen this on Instagram. So let's see how this cafe is. It's on the corner of Nostrand and Bedford and Gates Avenue. I'm at the cafe. I'll get the BLT. Alright, thanks. Got a little plant-based bacon BLT. Let's check this out. Let's see what this is about. We at the Cups Cafe. So I guess let's get into this breakdown, right? I hope you guys can hear me due to the fact of this music playing. So starting off on the daily time frame, price was at a higher high on the daily time frame after breaking this resistance here, indicating bullish structure. After that, we anticipated price to sell and make a pullback due to the fact of we're at a higher high on the daily
and we are making lower lows, right? And that's it for the breakdown. Catch you guys next time, I guess, or whatever else I'm doing for the day or the weekend. New York, New York. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, just left the cafe. Got a lot of work done. Was here for about 2 hours, maybe 3. And yeah, just walking. I didn't walk around in Brooklyn in a minute, so I didn't get a rental, being that my flight was delayed, so I got to land late. And I just said, fuck it, I'm gonna be a tourist for a little bit. All right, I guess I'm just gonna go to Flatbush. I'm from Flatbush, and see what my friends are doing, and I don't know, maybe hang out. The weather is kind of shitty, and I don't know what I want to do, but I think I do want to do something. Work is done. What else to do? I gotta enjoy life now, right? So yeah, keep you guys posted with whatever I do next. Got a little lemonade. About to see get some food. Let's see. Got some catfish. About to see what's going on. Let's try this. This was good. You see, I cleaned this up. The catfish was good. The sauce was immaculate. The fries is good. But I'm full now. Like, this is good. They're on the jet skis. Jet skis in New York is tough. Bro, rushed to the airport to get up out of here. And that's the end of the New York vlog. I was seeing some positions on GU. I'm gonna double check them and let you guys, and keep you guys posted. I made it on the jet bridge. I'm running. I made it. Yo, they had no pre-check. I had to skip everybody. I was not missing my flight. I need to go home. Back to ATL. Let's go.